Alone on a thinning world, survival grows more distant with every passing step. Each step leaves a mark, but the ice forgets as quickly as it is made. Hunger reshapes the body, stripping strength down to its barest form. A faint scent rides the wind, a promise of life just beyond reach. Where ice once ruled, open water now fractures the hunter's path. Life thrives in the water, just beyond the reach of the starving hunter. Between hunger and survival lies a distance the bear can no longer cross. The ground itself begins to fail, turning every step into a calculated risk. Instinct urges forward, but the cost of failure may be too great to risk. For a fleeting second, the distance closes, but not enough to change fate. Once a master of this frozen world, now a shadow upon its surface. A widening gap now separates hunter and prey, a boundary no strength can overcome. At last, it turns away, not from choice, but from necessity. The ice reclaims what was left behind, erasing even the struggle to survive. Here, life continues, indifferent to the struggle unfolding just beyond its reach.